नमस्ते बिटियाओं, हमेशा खुश रहिए और स्वस्थ रहिए। दिस इज़ JVN ब्रिजेश कुमार यादव, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc BEd ZBC 8th semester, subject botany, paper name is biotechnology, topic is bioinformatics. Students, bioinformatics is one of the newest field or discipline of biology which has been emerged recently few decades back. This bioinformatics basically is the merger of more than 3-4 subjects, disciplines which have different motto. Okay. In today's class we will see some of the basics, fundamental concepts, terms, definitions and its application. Okay, so let's start with definition. There are many more definitions of bioinformatics in concern to different areas. Some one are the merger, marriage, union between computer science and molecular biology. The algorithm and techniques of computer science are being used to solve the problems faced by molecular biologists. Information technology applied to the management and analysis of biological data. Storage and analysis are two of the important functions. Bioinformatician build tools for each. Okay, these are some of the definitions. Basically, this bioinformatics is the union of biology, chemistry, computer science, maths, that is statistics, information technology, many more are there. They unite and emerge as a new discipline, that is bioinformatics. Okay, in bioinformatics we use some of the principles of chemistry, biology, computer science, statistics. Okay, so these are the sub-disciplined or sub-parts of bioinformatics. Now, why bioinformatics is necessary? What is the need of bioinformatics? The need for bioinformatics has arisen from the recent explosion of publicly available genomic information, such as resulting from the Human Genome Project. It gained a better understanding of gene analysis, taxonomy and evolution. To work efficiently on the rational drug designing and reduce the time taken for the development of drug manually. So these are the some of the necessity why this bioinformatics has been emerged. Now, what are the goals of bioinformatics? With the help of bioinformatics, what can we achieve? So, to uncover the wealth of biological information hidden in the mass of sequence, structure, literature and biological data. It is being used now and in the foreseeable future in the area of molecular medicine. It has environmental benefits in identifying waste and clean up bacteria. In agriculture, it can be used to produce high yield, low maintenance crops. So these are the goals. Now, fields of bioinformatics. In which fields bioinformatics help us? So it can help us in molecular medicines, gene therapy, drug development, microbial genome applications, crop improvement, forensic analysis of microbes, biotechnology, evolutionary studies, and bioweapon creation. There are many more, but I have collected only important one. Now, where bioinformatics helps? Okay, in many areas, bioinformatics may help. Some of them I have collected here. These are in experimental molecular biology, in genetics and genomics, in generating biological data, in analysis of drug and protein expression, comparison of genomic data, understanding of evolutionary aspects of evolution, understanding biological pathways and networks in system biology, in simulation and modeling of DNA, RNA, and protein. Okay, so these are the areas. Now, one of the concept is structural bioinformatics. What is it? Let's have a look. Structural bioinformatics has following aspects: prediction of structure from sequence. What could be those sequences? Secondary structure, homology modeling, threading, antibiotic initial 3D prediction, analysis of 3D structure, structure comparison, alignment, prediction of function from structure, molecular mechanism, molecular dynamics, prediction of molecular interaction, docking. These are the higher classes concept. You need not to worry about these structural database. Now, some of the primary databases are for both DNA and proteins, which was developed by different countries, are such as for nucleic acid, Imbel. It has been developed by European countries. Other primary database for DNA are GenBank, that was developed by USA. Another is DDBJ, that was developed by Japan. For proteins, PIR, Protein Information Resources. For USA, that is MIPS, and in Japan, that is Swissport, developed by University of Geneva, now with EBI, Crumble, Swissport, NRL 3D, some of the others. Okay, now DNA sequence database, 3 data banks exchange data on daily basis. Data can be submitted and accessed at either locations. These are the some of the databases along with their links: GenBank, Imbel, DNA Data Bank of Japan. Now, applications of bioinformatics. So we'll see some of the applications. Bioinformatics joins mathematics, statistics, computer science, and information technology to solve complex biological problems. Sequence analysis, that is, the application of sequence analysis determines those genes which encode regulatory sequences or peptides by using the information of sequencing. These computers and tools also see the DNA mutations in an organisms and also detect and identify those sequences which are related. Spatial software is used to see the overlapping of fragments in their assembly. Next are prediction of protein structure. This is also an important application. It is easy to determine the primary structure of proteins in the form of amino acids which are present on the DNA molecule, but it is difficult to determine the secondary, tertiary, quaternary structures of proteins. Tools of bioinformatics can be used to determine the complex proteins structures. Actually, with the help of bioinformatics, you can predict what could be the structure of proteins at primary level, that is primary structure, in the form of amino acids, how they are arranged. It helps to predict the secondary and tertiary structure of proteins. If there is any error, any problem, any mutation, you can detect it before. Okay, so in this way it helps. Genome annotation. In genome annotation, genomes are marked to know the regulatory sequences and protein coding. It is a very important part of the Human Genome Project as it determines the regulatory sequences. Comparative genomics. In comparative genomics, the branch of bioinformatics which determines the genomic structure and function relation between different biological species. For this purpose, intergenomic maps are constructed which enable the scientists to trace the processes of evolution that occur in genomes of different species. Next one is health and drug discovery. The tool of bioinformatics are also useful in drug discovery, diagnosis and disease management. Complete sequencing of human gene has enabled the scientists to make medicines and drugs which can target more than 500 genes. Okay, so these are some of the applications of bioinformatics. So in this way, although I took very small time, but I had to complete it. So in this way we have completed this bioinformatics part. Thank you very much.